yeah, 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 yeah. The salad for today is mango, lots of mango, carrots and apple, and then onions, and then cucumber, lettuce. Daming lettuce. And then too much manga. See? Season ng manga dito. Oh. Season ng manga, beautiful mangoes. Og naalala nyo to, isama ta ni nako sa akong salad, but not sure kung lamig siya. So, salad. You know this is the gigantic honey. This is honey. Honey. Butangan ako og salad. I will put salad to my hand. I will put honey to my salad. Mali. Wait. Yes, this is honey from here. Honey. O, diba? Honey. Para masarap. Yun lang, asin at saka honey lagay ko kasi ito, medyo this is not so sweet, medyo sour. So, kailangan asin and honey lang. So, this is my salad. Enjoy. So, hope we will mix now. Mixing. Ayan na. Yummy salad. Mango salad with lettuce, apple, and carrots, and the organic honey. Organic ito. Tapos, dami pang lettuce. Well, partner with this. Yay! Yan. Luto ni bangos. So, muna siya among dinner. Salad. Masarap. Bye! Enjoy your salad. Simple lang siya, pero dahil himuon. Bye! Yay! So, muna siya ang mga season day. Fresh mango. See? Very good smell.